You're sitting across from her. Same place, same time, same routine. You already know what she's going to order. You already know what she's going to say. And without realizing it, so does she. There was a time she leaned in when you spoke. Now she checks her phone. There was a time she waited for your texts. Now she expects them. And you tell yourself, this is what stability looks like. But what I'm about to tell you, my friend, is the truth most men learn too late. The moment you became predictable, you stopped being respected. All men are taught the same lie. Be consistent, be reliable, be emotionally available. We're told predictability equals safety, safety equals trust, and trust equals attraction. But brother, attraction doesn't work on morality. It works on biology. You didn't lose her respect because you failed. You lost it because you stabilized. Case study 1. A man commits fully, stops going out with friends, stops pursuing uncertainty. He becomes efficient, available, always there. At first, she relaxes. Then, she disengages. Not consciously, not maliciously, but inevitably. The betrayal isn't that she changed. It's that you did exactly what you were told and paid the price. Every woman is hardwired to respond to emotional contrast. This isn't culture, it isn't feminism, it isn't modern dating. It's older than language. The female brain evolved to assess adaptive value, not comfort. Predictability signals safety, but safety does not signal strength. From a neurological standpoint, attraction is driven by dopamine, the neurotransmitter of anticipation, uncertainty, and reward. When outcomes are guaranteed, dopamine drops. When dopamine drops, attention drops. When attention drops, respect follows. You became emotionally flat. Not weak, flat. And flat men are invisible. Let's break the emotional mechanism down clinically. The brain adapts quickly to certainty. What is known no longer feels valuable. You answer every call. You explain every decision. You reassure before being asked. 3 behavioral examples men recognize instantly. She interrupts you mid-sentence. Sarcasm replaces warmth. Affection becomes conditional. Case study 2. A man starts checking in constantly. Are you okay? He thinks he's being attentive. What he's actually doing is broadcasting predictability. She stops feeling polarity. She starts feeling control. And no woman respects what she can fully manage. Respect doesn't disappear loudly, it leaks. She stops asking your opinion, but judges it anyway. She challenges your decisions publicly. She withholds intimacy without explanation. You feel it in your body first, a subtle shrinking. Case study 3. Arguments escalate faster. Minor mistakes become character flaws. You apologize more. She respects you less. This isn't emotional cruelty, it's biological recalibration. Her nervous system has categorized you as known. Modern society rewards predictable men. Predictable men are easy to manage, easy to replace, easy to extract value from. Culture shames mystery as emotional unavailability, silence as toxicity, autonomy as avoidance. But understand this, every system benefits when men abandon their edge. Men are taught to self-police their instincts until nothing dangerous, polarizing, or unpredictable remains. And then we're confused when respect evaporates. Once respect drops below a certain threshold, it cannot be negotiated back. No conversation fixes it. No reassurance restores it. She rewrites history. You were always like this. I just changed. But the truth is simpler. You became emotionally available before you became emotionally sovereign. And the collapse begins quietly, long before the goodbye. Here's the bitter truth, brother. Comfort is not desire. Stability is not polarity. Being needed is not being respected. Every woman respects the man she cannot fully predict because his emotional center does not orbit her reactions. Predictability creates utility. Uncertainty creates gravity. The solution isn't chaos. It isn't manipulation. It's self-sovereignty. Stop narrating your intentions. Stop explaining your every move. Build a life that moves with or without approval. Be consistent in values, unpredictable in expression. When your emotional center becomes unreachable, respect returns naturally. Not because you demanded it, but because your nervous system stopped asking for permission. That's when everything changes.